Okay, the first of all we're going to talk about Angular. Angular was created by Google, and the Google has a very good, powerful community to develop and enhance this Angular framework. So in future, I'll highly like to mention Angular has a good future in front end industry, but when you come to the React, it's also such a good framework and very beginner friendly framework. The React was developed by Meta. Meta is also one of the biggest company in the world, and it's also developed by Meta. The Meta has also a big community. The React has a very reactive, and we can build very complex and very user-friendly, attractive websites. So that's the most important point, is the attractive and the user-friendly interfaces we can build using React. But Angular we can't build it because it has a complex to build a website using Angular rather than React. So if you are a beginner, like you are coming to this industry as a beginner, I highly recommend you want to use React rather than Angular. But if you are looking for a high paying jobs and a high skilled worker, you want to learn both, but it depends on your project that you are going to choose. If you're looking for a something like high secured, something like a project, you want to choose Angular. But if you're looking for more attractive and user friendly, very reactive website, you want to definitely choose React. That's the real issue in here. But most of the people don't know how to choose a language, the frameworks or framework, so they choose different types of things. But the actual thing is, this depends on your project. So the last point is the learning curve. The learning curve of Angular is more high because it takes 1 to 2 years for learning the basic fundamentals of Angular. But in React you can learn in 2 to 3 months the basic things. But if you master of it, you can become more higher level of experience on React. You can get more complex website building using React. So that's the end of the video. I think this is more interesting to hear. How would you like this video? And please don't worry to comment here, because your comments are biggest bless for me. If I can improve myself through your comments. And see you in another video. Until then, bye bye, cheers.